In this video, we will show the best headphones for music available to buy. At number 10. Shish 12 Wireless Bluetooth Headphone. This headphone supports various sound effects adjustment, easily realize the sound quality you prefer. It is suitable for most Bluetooth-enabled devices, such as for Android smartphones and iOS smartphones. At number 9. Zebronics Zeb Thunder Wireless BT Headphone. It comes with large and comfortable ear cups and soft padding on the adjustable headband. 40mm drivers ensures wider frequency response and excellent sound reproduction. At number 8. Audio-Technica Professional Studio Monitor Headphones. The circumaural design contours around the ears for excellent sound isolation in loud environments. Convenient single-side cable exit. Designed for studio tracking and mixing. At number 7. Logitech H110 Stereo Headset. The noise-canceling microphone reduces room noise for clearer internet calls. It is full stereo sound for your music, movies and games. At number 6. Intex Multimedia H60 over-the-ear headphone. Its unmatched compatibility with different devices like mobile, PC, TV and laptop is an icing on the cake. Now seamlessly switch from music on your portable device to a call from your phone and attend your important call. At number 5. PTron Soundster Bluetooth Headphones. Enjoy true and pure stereo sound quality from large 40mm speakers with superior output. Get the best deep bass and accurate notes with these wireless headphones. At number 4. OneOdio DJ Stereo Monitor Headphones. The high-quality padded ear cushions are specifically designed for monitor headphones' maximum comfort and noise isolation. The headband is adjustable and stretchable for you to find the desired angle you like to fit in. At number 3. Panasonic on-ear stereo headphones. The clear, powerful, balanced bass and treble 10 Hz to 23 kHz with dual 30mm neodymium drivers. It is lightweight, mobile headphone design for enjoying music outdoors and in. At number 2. iBall Rocky over-ear headphones with mic. The iBall Rocky headset is meant for all those who love music. The package consists of a pair of over-ear headphones that come with a built-in microphone. At number 1. Sony MDR-ZX110A on-ear stereo headphones. The high-energy neodymium magnets deliver powerful sound. Slim, folding design for easy portability. Pressure-relieving earpads for extended comfort.